Example number 4, finding inverses of exponential functions. So we have the air pressure outside an aircraft can be determined by the equation P equals B times the quantity 10 raised to the fraction negative 9h divided by 100, where B is the air pressure at sea level and h is the altitude in miles. If the air pressure at sea level, so that'd be B, is 14.7, so that's B, pounds per square inch, write an equation to find the height. So the height, which is the altitude, is h when the air pressure is known. Okay, and we know the air pressure is 14.7, so P equals B 10 raised to the negative 9h over 100. Alright, so that's our equation, but all we're going to do is just insert our B, which we know is the air pressure at sea level, and we want to find the air pressure of the aircraft, right, which is P. Okay, and so we insert B, which was 14.7, and now I'm just going to get this exponent by itself. So I always want to get this with the base by itself first, so I just divide by 14.7. So basically I'm just solving this equation for h. So P over 14.7 is equal to 10 raised to the 9, negative 9 times h over 100. So now how do I get to the exponent, right? Well, one way to solve exponentials is to rewrite them as logs, right? So my base is 10, that's going to stay my base. So log base 10, and then whatever's on the same side is no longer on the same side, correct? So this would equal negative 9h over 100, and then the P over 14.7 is going to be what I'm taking the log of. Okay, and then I just need h by itself, so I can multiply by 100 and then divide by 9, or just multiply both sides by 100 over negative 9. Now I'm not multiplying the P here, I'm actually just multiplying the log itself, so I'm multiplying this thing. Once I figure out what that is, once I insert a P, then I can do that, right? But this is just 100 over negative 9. And you can leave it as a fraction like that, that's fine. So h is equal to 100 over negative 9 times log base 10 over P over 14. So if I was solving this and I had a P to plug in, I would take that P divided by 14.7 and then take the log base 10 of that and then times by 100 over negative 9.